we have some great news. We might have a huge catalyst coming our way by the end of this month. I know. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to put a date on this, but it's actually kind of a date thing, okay? But hear me out. Before you curse me out in the comment section, please hear me out. Actually, I heard this on Twitter. We all know that AMC is going to be added to the MSCI Equity Index on August 31st, which is the end of this month. There are rumors that this will entail a buying of a huge block of 25 million shares of AMC around that date. So we could see a spike in this price then. All right, is this even true? Let's see. So this is an article from Yahoo Finance, the MSCI Equity Index August 2021 Index Review. Okay, so if you don't know what an MSCI Equity Index is, this is a leading provider of research-based indexes and analytics that is announcing a quarterly review, kind of a rebalancing thing across all of the different benchmarks or a fund that they have. But the thing is, the MSCI is looked as a benchmark which is being followed by a lot of fund managers or a lot of investment managers across the world, not the US, not North America, but across the world. And every now and then, and usually it's around every quarter, they will look at where the market is currently sitting and they will sell some securities and buy some others, okay? But the thing is, when you have those funds, pension funds, ETFs, mutual funds, or even just banks and investment companies, they are following the benchmark because this is what they want to beat in order to prove to their clients that they are making a ton of money for them in the market. So let's look at this. 20 securities will be added to, and 7 securities will be deleted from the MSCI ACWI index. The 3 largest additions to the MSCI World Index measured by full company market cap, the overall worth of the company, will be DoorDash, based in the US, food delivery, AMC Entertainment Holdings, we love the stock, based in the US, and SITC International Holdings, based in Hong Kong. This is incredible news, guys. You know why? Because this is the MSCI World Index. It means not only companies in North America or the US will be following to buy whatever this benchmark is holding in its securities, its portfolio of securities, but it's going to be all the way throughout the world. So that's maybe why rumors are in here that we might see a huge block of 25 million shares being bought. Now, 25 million shares being bought, this is a whole bunch of buying pressure. This is a whole bunch of pressure. And maybe this is why we've seen a bunch of suits, a bunch of banks, a bunch of mutual funds like BlackRock, Vanguard, some states like Wisconsin and Colorado buying chunks and chunks of stocks of shares of AMC in the last quarter at an average of $33. So maybe they sold, but as of the official data now, according to me, they're still holding. So that tells me, how will the price be when these 25 million shares are being added? The big question I have is, will this be added to the actual markets where you and I are buying so we can see the actual change in the price? Or will this also go through dark pools? That's the big question, because as far as I'm jacked and pumped up, guys, I'm always expecting for the best. But with AMC and Citadel and all the shenanigans happening here, I'm kind of not surprised to see that everything is also possible from the short sellers. So we'll see, but definitely things are looking way more bullish than we think.